Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Perkman here again for another great product review. You know, recently the wife and I were checking out new bed frames, so we went on to Amazon.com and this is what we found. This is the super heavy duty all metal bed frame from a company called 45 Men. Now this is the queen size I'm going to show you today. It retails for $109.99, but they do have sizes and prices from twin all the way up to California king. So there is a budget and a price for everyone. Now, before the video started, I took the liberty of taking out about 20 heavy-duty staples and lots of tape to cut. It was packaged very nicely. It is heavy-duty. I feel a little sorry for the UPS guy, but I'm glad to know that it's packaged in such a way that's not going to get broken or bent during shipment. So that's nice. So let's unbox it and let's get started. Okay, obviously step one is to read your manual thoroughly, all the instructions, and check your parts list just to make sure you have everything in the box that's listed in here to help complete your project on time, under 40 minutes, like they say. Now it looks like they have provided the tools needed, a wrench and an Allen wrench, but you may want to use your own tools just for convenience. So let's get this frame together and see how it looks. Okay, there you have it, fully completed, about 15 to 20 minutes. I did get the help of a friend for a quicker completion, but I don't see any problem in one person getting this done in 40 minutes or under, no problem. Now the frame comes in at about 47 pounds of weight, it's 14 inches tall, and it's made from a super heavy duty steel, so the slats can carry more weight, okay? It's designed to carry 3,000 pounds of static pressure, and is strong enough to withstand any structural twisting, so no box springs are needed. Along with the leg and frame structure comes with a cushioning gasket. Now this ensures a quiet frame that won't slip or won't squeak. Also notice the 11.5 inches of clearance underneath for storage. That's really handy. And comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. So anything goes wrong with the frame in the first 5 years, any parts, they'll cover for free, which is really super nice. Well, that's it for me today. This is the queen size, super heavy duty metal bed frame from a company called 45 Men. It retails for $109.99 on Amazon.com. Check it out. If this video has helped you out in any way, shape, or form, please like, share, comment, always subscribe. Hit that notification button for next time we have a video so you don't miss it. Also, I put a link to the product description to Amazon.com, so check that out. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, I'm the Perkman, and I'll see you next time on Perkman Product Reviews.